How to fix Paytm rooted device error on Android and iOS. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are seeing a rooted device error on the Paytm app, I have got some quick solutions to help you get it working again. So let's get started. First, if your device is rooted on Android or jailbroken on iOS, Paytm might not work due to the security reasons. On Android, if you previously rooted your device, consider unrooting it. For iOS, if your device is jailbroken, consider restoring it to the original settings to remove the jailbreak. This will remove any unauthorized modifications that Paytm might detect. Next, update the Paytm app. An outdated app can sometimes mistakenly delete a device as rooted or jailbroken. Here's how to update. Go to your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Paytm and check if there is a new update available. If there is, install it, as updates may include fixes for deletion issues. Next, clear cache or reinstall the app. If you are on Android, clearing the app's cache can sometimes fix deletion problems. Go to Settings, then tap on Application, then go to Paytm. Here, you can tap on Storage and then Clear Cache. If this doesn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app from the Play Store. If the issue persists, reach out to Paytm support. They can provide specific guidance for your device. In the Paytm app, go to Help and Support or visit their website to contact support. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps helps fix the rooted device error on Paytm. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more app solutions. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.